welcome to Kitchen Hearts. So this week I'm going to show you how to make roast paan. Now roast paan means it's the bread that has been roasted. Now this is very famous in Sri Lanka. We used to have it as breakfast, have it as dinner with any curries, anything pol sambal, anything you prefer. Now I never knew that making roast paan is really easy. I'm going to share this recipe with you guys so that you can try it at home. But before that, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's get into the video. Okay, first of all, make sure to wash your hands because we're going to use the hands for the entire recipe. So I have added half kg of all-purpose flour, and to this I'm adding 4.5 teaspoons of sugar. Don't reduce the sugar level because we want the roast paan to be nice and tasty. And then I'm adding 3.5 teaspoons of instant yeast, and then a pinch of salt, and give it a good mix. Now if you're using active dry yeast, it will be a different measurements for the yeast and sugar levels. I'll be putting down everything, all the measurements and all the method, everything down in the description box. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Next thing is I'm going to add warm water to this. Add a little at a time and you can work through it. I'm going with a half a cup now, and then later you can add more if you want. Yeah, so I ended up using 1 cup of water. Now it's time to add the melted butter and coconut oil. So I know you really need patience to do this, so keep mixing until you get the right consistency. If it is too dry, just add some water. If it is too wet, just add flour to this. Now keep your kitchen surface clean. We're going to knead this now in the kitchen surface for about 5 to 10 minutes. Set a timer and do this because you don't need to over knead and you don't need to under knead as well. So knead it nicely. Oh, that was good arms workouts for me. Anyway, your dough should look like this. Now cover with a damp cloth or paper towel and rest it for 30 minutes and it will double in size. As risen and doubled in size. Now press down to release air. Make sure that there is no air at all. Now I'm going to form the dough into a log kind of thing. Now we are going to place pieces from here. I'm really sorry guys, I couldn't show you how I pull the pieces and make into bowl, but make small bowls, weigh about 90 grams each. Now shape one of the bowl into like this, shape it flat on the bottom and curved at the top. Use a deep narrow pan or use a bread loaf pan like mine. Grease a pan with melted butter and line it with parchment. Cut some parchment paper to separate the loaves as well. Make sure to grease it all around and put in the oven at the lowest rack and bake at 107 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Then increase the temperature to bake it for another 25 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. Look at those roast prawns, they're amazing and it smells so good too. Oh my god, look at those roast prawns, they're amazing. Now pull each of the roast prawns separately from the parchment papers. Oh my god, look at those roast prawns, so fluffy and so soft. Now, we are not done yet. We're gonna roast these roast prawns inside the oven at the top rack for about 1.5 minutes on each side. Now this is just right after roasted. Now you can have this with pol sambal or curries, anything. I never knew roast prawn is really easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you with another video next time. Bye.